All right, what's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. I just want you guys to get on here and subscribe, like the videos, comment, let me know what type of content you guys want, what can help you guys out the most. Um, I just want to give a little update as far as what my game plan is this week, and a little touch on a little bit about last video on. I want to change all the prices to all my shirts that that have never sold to 1307 the base cost, which is making no money, no royalties. And the reason why I said I wanted to do that is because there was just a tear up and I missed it, and I felt kind of discouraged about it. So this week I'm gonna do everything I can to just try to get that fast tier up, get the ball rolling. Um, so right now, as you guys can see, I'm 31 sales off um, to tier up to tier 1,000. So I'm gonna go through all day. I don't care how long it takes, man. It's a grind. It's a grind. And I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna change all of my shirts to 1307. All of the ones that haven't sold. So all everything but these 73 products it says I sold, I am going to change to a low price. Let's try to get some stuff sold. Hurry up and get to tier 1,000 before the month's over. Trying to get as many spaces as we can. The more space we have, more products we can post, the more money we make. And I'm gonna make that little sacrifice for a couple shirts, get some more shirts ranking, getting ready for tier 1,000. Um, so yeah, that's the game plan going into. I wanted to do it over the weekend, but I ended up having to hang out with my girlfriend and please her and make sure she's happy, happy wife, happy life. Um, so I guess we can go over what's been going on with the in the last week. So last 7 days, I had 22 sales. I showed you guys my income report. I had 55. So most of my sales were at the end of the month, which was cool. So let's look at the last 7 days. Um, so what was interesting, I accidentally put up a tank top for like 24.99, thinking I don't know what the fuck I was doing, but it actually sold the same day I did that. So I might actually test out charging my tank tops a little more. And it was a royalty of 665, which was cool. Like the same day I did it, it ended up selling, and it's one of my um, top sellers that I have for shirts. So um, yeah, I might try that out. My best sellers for standard shirts, I might just charge, a lot more for the other product types. For that, guess something else I can try out. Um, all of these are pretty much in the same niches. I just kind of hit big on one niche, so I just started duplicating them, making them a little bit different, different font, different layout. In merch, everybody tries to fucking copy you, so you want to be the one that's competing with yourself. Basically, I sold one Apple case, which was it's always interesting when I sell iPhone cases because I can't fucking sell them. I never sell them. They never fucking sell for me. iPhone cases, V-necks, regular sweatshirts. Only thing that ever sells for me really is the standards and hoodies. And lately, tank tops is they've been kind of selling for me, but I feel like that's because we're almost approaching summer, so that's something you guys can think about, like um, making sure there's stuff for the summer. So tank tops are probably gonna start selling a lot more. Just keep that in mind. Um, so yeah, that's what this week is looking like. Let's see if I can look at it day to day. All right. Oh no. Let's do this. Literally always do this. Okay. So, analytics, last 7 days. All right, this is day to day. Last Monday was great. It was great. 9 sales. This day was interesting because, like I said, I sold a bunch of things that were new, you know, things that never sold. So I kind of found a good niche, and I'm definitely going to be uploading some more of those, type. You find a good niche, something sells, scale it, find something that's working, scale it. So there's that. Had 9, then dropped to 4, and 1, and 1 again, 3, 1, 3. And here's today. It's still 11:50 a.m. right now where I'm from. So I'm sure I'll have a few sales today. I don't really normally not have any sales in the day. Um, but yeah, that's that. Like I said, standard T-shirts are the bread and butter. Really maximize that, and maximize posting these, maximize profit. Um, so yeah, there's that on the week. Something else that I wanted to talk about in this video. Oh, so my other part of my game plan is this week is I just recently had 500 products live, and what I'm starting to do is instead of just sitting there and waiting there and just I'm gonna start deleting products that normally don't sell. I'm gonna keep all my standards, but when it comes to like V-necks or ragaloos or any other type of products that don't normally sell, I'm gonna start deleting those and just pushing in standards. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be uploading a lot of stuff for upcoming um, holidays that are coming up soon. And what a lot of people fuck up and do is they wait too long to start posting those. They wait till they have they can see a product that's been selling so much, so now they want to copy them. You want to be the one that they're trying to copy. So getting to pushing out these products before um, these holidays. We got Cinco de Mayo coming up. We got um, we got Labor Day. We got fucking is that what is Labor Day? I'm high, guys. I be high. I ain't gonna lie. I be smoking a lot of weed. Um, We got 4th of July coming up. So just keep in mind the holidays. Check your calendars. You know, all those reasons that people are on the platform to spend their money, we need to know about them. So that's the game plan going on. So hopefully, um, before the month's over, I'll be tier 1000. I'll damn sure make a video as soon as I get that notification. Show you guys, man, motivate you guys, and let you guys um, see my journey, and very transparent. I'm not one of these YouTubers and these merch people that are gonna be trying to sell you guys all these fucking courses like I'm a fucking uh, a goddess or anything or any of that. But I just want to be transparent and show you guys that, with consistency, that you know that we can be successful in this platform. And so, yeah, guys, if you guys like this video or, the content that I post, subscribe, comment, like, let me know the feedback and what you guys want me to do, or certain topics that you guys really need to learn. Just let me know. Um, Man, thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day. Keep grinding, get to the money. Yeah.